Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Organize and Declutter with Me video. Today is the day I'm going to be working on these two chests that live in my room. Later on in this video, you guys will see me take everything out and declutter and fold and just organize these chests. But first, I'm going to share with you guys what I got in my very first FABFITFUN box for this winter. I am so excited to share with you guys because I love all things girly. So if you guys are interested in this video, just keep watching. Alright, so before we get started, I have been wanting to try FABFITFUN for so long, and it was pretty much way before I started YouTube. Never got around to it, or I'll forget about it until everybody was showing their boxes on YouTube, and I'm like, dang it, why didn't I get it? When FABFITFUN reached out to me, actually really excited, and I was like, yes, send it over. I will show all of my friends, meaning you guys. They wanted to send me their winter box, so of course I said yes, and this arrived not too long ago. And I love that it's actually in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement. So of course it's going to a good cause. There's a few things that I love about FABFITFUN, even though I have not received it yet, but the whole idea around it. Number one, it does not come every month because nobody needs that many products. Number two, everything that comes in here is full-size products. They're all name brand. This gives you a really good chance to try different brands. That expensive cream you've been wanting to try but not wanting to buy. So you're getting a really good discount and you actually sign up for the subscription. So it comes just a few times a year. This is their winter box. It's so cute. When you open it, it is bright pink and it looks like this. There's a magazine in here. Looks like it has some really good articles in it. Tells a little bit about the products that are in your box, how much they are, what they're used for. There's a sample of a mattress in here, and then there's like a FABFITFUN coupon code and HelloFresh coupon, and that's it for the top of the box. So it's wrapped like this with a sticker. There's like stuffing in here. What everything looks like. I love a good presentation, like it was designed just for you. This is one of those eraser cloths for makeup, and this is the original one, which I have been wanting to try the original one. I've seen so many different types in like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I've actually used another one. It didn't work as good as I've heard this one works, so this is a huge surprise because I've been wanting to try this. Let me tell you how much this actually retails for 20 bucks. This is waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, and it removes and erases with water. And it's like a pink little cloth. Yes. So the next thing is this Bluetooth shower speaker, and this retails for 40 bucks, and it's by the brand Bando. I've seen this brand before. Really interested to see how this works because I love listening to music when I'm getting ready. Oh, how cute. It's this huge suction cup on the side, and then it looks like that. That's cute. Here's the little cord. This is Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Lavender oil. So let me smell this because I love lavender. It smells really good and it smells clean and it smells lavendery. How much is this? This thing retails for 40 bucks just for this hand and body wash. It smells really good and it looks really thick. And I'm going to show you guys up close. This will be used. Okay, so the next thing in here, Natural Dead Sea Salt salts. This is a Natural Dead Sea Bath Salt. So this is a huge bag and it's full to the top. Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts, and I don't know what they smell like. 16 bucks for this bag right here. The minerals help ease muscle tension and leave you with soft skin. And I've been wanting to try some new things for my skin because it's been looking a little crazy. The next thing in my box is, oh, I know this brand. Our Soft Focus Glow Drops Ultimate Glow Primer. And this retails for 55 bucks, you guys. And I love a primer. That's one thing. I don't wear it every single day when I go to work, but I do love a primer, especially if it's glowing, because I tend to have like dull skin. This is like a glass container that it comes in with a little dropper top. I'm definitely going to be getting this box again, and I'm not done. It's a Prime and Prep detangler. It's by Drybar. I will definitely be using this. Actually been interested in Drybar products. This retails for 23 bucks. So the next thing is something that I've been dying for is a new planner. This retails for $27.95, and it says it's from Paper Source, which is a really familiar brand in the paper/planning community. It's a 12-month rose floral planner, and it says keep track of all your appointments, to-do lists, and assignments in this planner, which includes monthly and weekly views. So definitely using this. This is a 2020 planner. Perfect timing, FABFITFUN. Perfect. This looks like the last thing in here. And this is something by Rebecca Minkoff. It looks like a hat. Oh my gosh. This is from Rebecca Minkoff. These look like arm warmers and a beanie. Rebecca Minkoff marble beanie and arm warmer set. And this retails for $70. So if you go and buy this separately, you're going to have to pay $70 for it unless you get it in this box. So that is crazy to me. What am I going to do with an arm warmer? Oh, okay, so there's a little thumb hole in here. There's like a logo right here. It says Rebecca Minkoff. Here's the beanie. So I love everything. I will have more information linked down below for you guys, as well as a coupon code so you can purchase your own FABFITFUN box. Go ahead and sign up. Let's get moving on with the video. Alright, so this is one of two chests that I'm going to go through, but this one is the worst. As you can see, I can't even open these drawers. I never actually organized them when we moved in this house a year ago, and I really can't believe I let it go this long with it being unorganized, because I actually love for things to be organized, and this is probably the worst part of any part of my house. So I have to get this organized. If you guys are interested in these chests, I got them from IKEA. They were really affordable and they hold a ton. So you guys are actually going to see how much they hold in a second once I start pulling everything out. Alright, so in this chest I hold all of my lounge clothes and workout clothes, and as you can see I have a lot of them, and that was all just from that one drawer. The whole chest is pretty much all the same stuff, but they're all just super unorganized. But as you can see, that chest holds a ton. Hopefully I can get rid of some because I really want it to be as organized as possible. Like a shift in the flow, a change coming, it's inevitable. So I'm going through each piece of clothing to see if I want to get rid of anything, and the things that I'm going to keep, I'm just going to fold it, color coordinate it, and put it in a category so that I can easily put it away. In the paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night, flee the night. So in this pile I have leggings, and then I have sweatpants, and then shorts, compression shorts, and then these are t-shirts. Those are leggings that come with a matching top, so I put those in a separate pile. These are leggings that were just hanging out by itself. These are all of the shorts that I own, and then I'm just going to throw in this skirt, and then those are all black tank tops of some sort. Now I'm just going to throw them into my chest. Hopefully everything fits. I am not too particular on like perfection. I really just want to fold it in a way that I know I can keep it folded. You got to be realistic when you organize. So that first drawer was all t-shirts. The next drawer I'm going to put my leggings. As you can see, I am trying a few different ways of folding them so that they can all fit in there. And then in this drawer, I'm putting my sweatpants in there. Some of these have tops that I actually, like jackets that I actually hang up in my closet. And I'm going to put all of my shorts in the last drawer. Someone who knows what is to come, 'cause the future's a deceiver. She breaks promises for fun. Strange motions, like a shift in the flow. A change coming, it's inevitable. So the next chest isn't as bad as the other one because I actually did organize a little bit more in this one than I did the other one. I just have like my pajamas, bras, and random pants at the very bottom. I actually don't need to take everything out of each drawer. I'm just refolding a few things where my pajamas were, but I am going to take all of my bras out because I need to go through those. And I also took the last drawer out as well. We can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night. In the paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Here's a quick overview. The first drawer is where I keep like swimwear. I don't really have much of that. And then the second drawer is all of my pajamas. I folded it up as best I could. I love pajamas and I do get them often, and I would get rid of some when I get new ones. I'm gonna skip my underwear drawer, and then we're gonna jump to where my bras were. You guys just seen me organize this. I heard that it's best for your bras to lay out like this, so I've been doing it like this for years. Then the last drawer, I just have all of my workout shorts and compression shorts and sports bras. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out FABFITFUN. I'll have all the information in the description. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.